In today's video, I will show you an awesome exchange where you can buy and sell XRP. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. We all know XRP is a very controversial coin. A lot of people that have invested in XRP absolutely love it and they believe that it is the next big thing. But then on the other hand, there's a lot of XRP haters that will not touch XRP with a 10-foot pole. So both sides believe that they are 100% right. But personally, I do not want to pick any side. I just want to bring you good information that can help you make the best decision for your crypto. So if you want to sell your XRP, if you're tired of holding it, watch this video until the very end. Or if you want to buy some XRP and you think it's going to be the next big thing, watch this video. But now, before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. We all know XRP is under investigation by the SEC, and a lot of exchanges have halted trading for XRP. I know on Coinbase, on Binance.us, and a ton of other ones, they do not allow you to buy or sell your XRP. So a lot of people are simply locked out. Both the people that want to sell and people that want to buy. But don't worry, I got the perfect solution. If you guys have been following my YouTube channel, you would know that I'm a huge fan of the KuCoin exchange. They have so many coins. They have the lending feature. You can trade on margin. Plus they have the daily bonuses where you can get free coins every single day. And best of all, they have one of the biggest selections of coins out there. So over the last couple of days, I was looking at other coins to purchase and I was scrolling down KuCoin to see what kind of coins they have. And out of nowhere, I'm like, XRP? I'm like, all right, they probably just have it listed, but you won't be able to buy or sell. So I clicked on it, I put in my order, and my order went through. And I'm like, yo, this is awesome. I know a lot of other exchanges do not let you buy or sell XRP, but on KuCoin, you're allowed. And I know right now XRP is pumping. Over the last couple of days, there has been decent news coming out from the lawsuit. So XRP has been pumping over the last 3 days. And a lot of people are looking to take advantage of this in order to make some money. So if you want to buy some XRP, check out the link in the description box below. Also guys, if you are holding XRP and you're tired of holding it, you just want to sell it and take your money out, check out the KuCoin exchange. A couple of reasons why I like the KuCoin exchange. First off, you do not have to verify your identity. You can simply click on the link, create an account in under a minute, send over your XRP or any other coin, and you'll be able to trade it. In my opinion, that is absolutely amazing. You do not have to wait months for your account to be verified like on Binance.us or some other exchanges. And now let's go inside of the KuCoin exchange so I can show you exactly how you can buy and sell XRP on KuCoin. Let's go. Alright, so now we are inside of my KuCoin account, and as you can see, the app looks absolutely amazing. They have the crypto lending, the daily bonus, the trading bot, which I'm also using. They have the daily check-ins where you can win free prizes, but we're going to be talking about trading XRP on KuCoin. So the first thing that you want to do is click on assets. When you click on assets in the bottom right corner, it will bring you to your account. This is where you'll be able to see all the coins that you are holding. And then the next step is to press deposit. After you press deposit, all you have to do is find the coin that you are wanting to deposit. So we're going to the search bar, we're going to type in XRP, and then you have two options. It will have the regular XRP or the futures account. This is if you want to trade futures in XRP. Personally, just select the first one that says XRP. And then we are going to press I understand the risk and I wish to continue. Then it will turn green. We are going to press continue, and then it will bring us to this screen. You have to enter both the tag address and the platform address in order to deposit XRP. So we're going to press got it, and then this will give you your XRP address and the tag. And now if you are holding XRP on Coinbase or Binance.us, you will simply send it to this address. Make sure to only send XRP. If you send any other crypto, it will get lost. Also, one other thing, make sure to copy the address exactly. And then once you send over your XRP, all you have to do is simply go back. and it will be in your account. And then your next step is to simply press trade at the very bottom. Once you press trade, it will bring you to the trading screen. And as you can see right now, it is trading Bitcoin and USDT. So we are going to press that one. And then on the search bar, we are going to type in XRP. And then this will give you a ton of different options. You can trade XRP with USDT, with USDC, with TUSD, or with PAX. Personally, I like to use USDT. So that is what we are going to click on. And as you can see right now, XRP is trading just over 56 cents. So for this example, we're just going to buy it at the current price, which is 56 cents, 475. And we have 93 cents in this account. So we're going to use the full amount, which will give us 1.65 XRP. This is purely for demonstration purposes only. And then all you have to do is press buy XRP. Then I will enter in my trading password, and now our order to buy some XRP has been executed instantly. Let's look at our order history. And as you can see, our XRP order has gone through and we have purchased some XRP. And now let's sell this XRP so I can show you that process as well. So we are going to go back to the trading screen, and now instead of pressing the buy button, we are going to press the sell button. And right now we are going to sell 100% of our XRP holdings, which is only 1 XRP and 65. So once you put in all that information, all you have to do is press sell XRP. And then as you can see, our sell order for XRP has instantly executed. And now we have USDT once again. That is how simple it is to buy and sell XRP on the KuCoin exchange. And now let's look at our order history so you can see that both orders went through. As you can see, we bought some XRP and we sold it right back on the KuCoin exchange. Also, the KuCoin exchange has a ton of other features. You'll be able to lend out your crypto to make some passive income. You'll be able to trade on margin. You'll be able to leverage your money. They have the KuCoin trading bot where it will trade for you. They have a ton of other awesome features. So make sure you check out all the other awesome features on the KuCoin exchange. Also guys, let me know in the comment section below, what are your thoughts on XRP? Are you buying more? Are you holding? Are you selling? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I want to see what everybody's thinking about XRP. And please be civil, do not bash on each other. We're all here to make some money. Some of us make money with Bitcoin, some of us make money with XRP, and some of us make money with SafeMoon. Everybody has their favorite coins. Everybody has their own reasons why they are investing. So please keep it civil. And as always, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comment section below. Check out the links if you want to support this channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.